In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do your budgets in Xero. We'll guide you through the process step by step so you can easily manage your finances in just a few minutes. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your hub for all things finance related within Xero. From here, let's direct our focus to the top menu and locate the Accounting tab. Give this a click to proceed. Now, a drop-down menu will gracefully appear. From this selection, we'll choose Reports. This page is like the heart of your financial insights, offering access to a variety of financial reports. For our budgeting needs, we want to make our way to the Budget Manager. Go ahead and click on that to move forward. Once you're comfortably situated in the Budget Manager, you'll notice an option labeled Select Budget. Clicking on this will allow you to either explore any existing budgets you've created, or, if you're starting fresh, to initiate a brand new one. To create a fresh budget from scratch, simply choose the Add New Budget option. This is where you can get a bit creative. Think of a name for your budget, something that clearly conveys its purpose, or something that will help you easily pinpoint its relevance later on. After you've christened your budget, be sure to click Save to lock in your changes up to this point. Next, we want to set up your budget with precision. Adjust the start date to align with your fiscal period. This could be the current month, the beginning of your business year, or any specific date that works for your planning. Beyond just the start date, you'll also want to determine the period over which this budget will apply. Choose the number of months that best aligns with your financial goals or reporting needs. Once you've made these adjustments, click on Update to ensure all your selections are securely saved. Now we come to the heart of creating a budget, inputting your expected figures. You have the freedom to manually type in your budget estimates for different periods or categories. However, for a more streamlined approach, take note of the green arrow icon next to each input field. Clicking on it opens up the formula option. This can be incredibly useful if your budget figures follow a particular pattern or experience a percentage increase. Input the formula that aligns with your needs. Xero is quite flexible, allowing you to use mathematical operations to calculate your figures automatically. Once your formula is good to go, click Apply to bring your budget to life. When you've completed setting up your budget with all the necessary data and formulas, make sure to click Save once more to record everything. It's a good idea to review your budget, ensuring all details are accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully created a budget in Xero, a tool that will help streamline your financial planning and boost your business's financial health. Enjoy leveraging Xero's capabilities, and don't hesitate to revisit and adjust your budget as your financial picture evolves.